he says some days back he was watching a program on in television, and it was saying that Islam is originated from Christianity and Judaism. Will Huzur kindly refute it?
Every religion is originated from the previous one. There is no problem at all. But Islam is a modern version and much more expanded version and complete version of the previous religions. Basically, according to the Holy Quran, all religions were the same originally. The same fundamental teaching is given by all religions. But the new religions extend the teaching, and the religions who follow further extend it. So Islam is the final and complete version of the earlier religions.